Welcome back, YouTube. The Adams back here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Redeem P3 earbuds, which cost about 35 bucks on Amazon. And these are because my father's AirPods do not work. My mom does not have the money to get AirPods Pro right now since it was unexpected. So now we're going to unbox the earbuds, and as you can tell, this is a really nice blue color. Look at this. And as you can tell, you get the micro USB charging cable and this, I believe, extra ear inserts. So let's just put this back in the box. Yeah, well, I'll get that done later, putting in the box, but for now we are going to test out the actual earbuds. So I'm going to go ahead and connect them with my father's iPhones. That's a picture of me on the Christmas tree. So these should have juice in them, so I'm just going to connect them via Bluetooth. So I'm just connecting the earbuds right now. Alright, so I got them connected now, so now I'm just going to play some non-copyright music off of YouTube. I'm going to try out something here, so I'm going to try out a ringtone. I'm going to hold up close to the phone mic. Never mind, it's coming from the phone speaker, so I'll need to put it in my ear. Sorry, so it's kind of complicated, but I imagine these sound pretty good and the reviews are pretty good on Amazon, so I guess that's it for this video. All links will be down in the description, and as always, peace out.